All right, let's take a look at reorder paragraphs, practice number 13. I remember I used this one for one of the tutorials because there's a specific rule in here that we want to make sure we pay attention to. But since this is for the practice, I'll explain it again. Now, of course, we're always going to apply trap. And for this one right here, I noticed this. This is the first one that jumps out at us, right? What question do you ask when you see this practice? Do you agree? We'll say, what practice? Now, normally we will say, practice basketball, practice swimming, practice something, right? But they're using this just as a noun. This practice. Normally, when you hear something like that, it's going to be related to medicine, law, maybe accounting. It's just a habit of doing something, but also refers to occupation. So what you're going to do is scan through and see if you can find something like that. Maybe dealing with law, medicine, or even maybe accounting. And do you agree that we have the word therapy? Therapy is related to medicine. All right. So when they say this practice, it means they're doing something in the therapy. What are they doing? They're using animals as therapy for people. All right. So I would assume that is the connection. I'm going to put those two together right here. All right. So when they say this practice, they are talking about therapy. All right. That should be one pair. I don't know if that's one and two, but I know that's a pair. Now, back to what I was talking about earlier, where there's an important rule. And that important rule is even. When you see the word even, it's a basic way of giving you examples, okay? And it's going to be multiple examples. When you use even is usually the last example. All right, so for example, if you say, Sam likes this restaurant, Jill likes this restaurant, and then for the last one, you'll say, even Bill likes this restaurant, right? So it's usually the same example, just minor changes, and even is your last one. So when they start with the word even here, you got to identify, what are they talking about? They're saying emotionally disturbed children, they smile, react with interest around kittens and puppies. So children react to kittens and puppies positively. Okay, it's a positive reaction. So what that means is other sentences, more than this one, it might be one, it might be two, it might be three. Those sentences will talk about the same topic. Either they're going to talk about emotionally disturbed children and what else they react to, or they're going to say other people also react positively to pets, to animals. So that's what we look for. We look to see first, let's see if there's any other sentences talking about children. Okay, that's the first one we want to do. Now this one is already a pair, so we can't look at X1. We can only look at X2. And X2, nothing about children and animals. Okay, but let's just look for children first. This one right here, also no children. Last one, also no children. All right, so we're not actually looking for the topic of children. I'm going to put this back. Okay, we're probably looking for something about reactions to kittens and puppies. So positive reactions to pets. So let's see if we have that here. No pets, no pets. This one right here, pet. There you go, you see? And then let's go to the last one right here. Pets. You see, that's the same topic. Let's see if they're talking about reacting positively. One prison showed that owning pets can change hardened prison inmates. Positive reaction, because they're caring, they become a caring person. You will want someone in prison to become a positive, caring person, right? That's positive. Let's look down here. Senior citizens became more interested in life. Yes. Old people want to live longer now. You see, same topic, positive reactions to pets. That was the topic. So now if this is going to be the last one, which one do you think is going to become the first one? Another study or a study? Come on now. that just stands out for us, right? So we should say a study, and then we're going to say another study, and then even. And now we have our sequence. Based on that even, it gave us the order. And then now we have C1 or X1. Basically, that's it. C1 or X1 will tell you, will be used as number one for the reorder paragraphs. So we're going to look at X1, we're going to look at C1. And in X1, do you see how it has then, animals then? That can't be number one. That cannot be number one. So we're we're going to move X1 and X2 to the bottom, okay? Because these three are in order. Oh, no, I didn't put it in order. Sorry, I should put it in order. It's like this, okay? Now a study, another study, and then even. These three are in order. These two are in order, but they cannot be number one and two because the word then. So we're going to move this down to the bottom, okay? And then move this all the way to the bottom. Oops, even is supposed to be here. So let's look at it again. A study, another study, and even. They're all talking about positive reactions to pets, right? Positive reactions to pets. And then this one right here, it says therapy, and then this is this practice. That is your link. That should be our order. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.